Good morning, children. Some more paragraphs from the lesson Albert Einstein at school. Children, in my last class, I told you that he was requested. He means Albert was requested by Dr. Ernst Weil to invite Yuri to a meal. He did not want to take his fees. Albert had no money to spare. Albert did not have any money to spare, but he showed that he had some money to spare and he used that money to take Yuri out to supper. Now let us see what happens in the next paragraph. In the next paragraph, isn't it wonderful, he said after showing Yuri the certificate. Now he is before Yuri. He is showing the certificate received from the doctor to Yuri. He wanted to know from Yuri if that work was wonderful or not. He had managed to get a certificate from a doctor. Yes, it is fine. Yuri agreed. Yuri agreed with him. He said that was okay. 6 months is a good period. This way you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. What was written in the certificate? He had been given the time of 6 months. And according to Yuri, the time of 6 months was a good period for Albert Einstein. That way he wouldn't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, so if the worst situation he was forced to face, he would be able to come back and carry on for his diploma. What did you think? You thought that if Albert, on account of something or the other, faced the worst situation, then he would have the option to return to his school and carry on for his diploma. I will never go back to that place, Albert assured him. Assure means what? To make somebody or something sure or certain. To make somebody or something sure or certain. Another meaning, to promise somebody that something will certainly happen or be true. To promise somebody that something will certainly happen or be true, especially if he or she is worried. So Albert Einstein told him that he would never go back to that place. Means he never wanted to go back to that place which he hated. He assured whom? Yuri. I am going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow and that will be the end of it. His all connection with his school was going to be over the next day, because that day he was going to show that certificate to the head teacher. The certificate which he had received from the doctor, he was going to show that certificate or produce that certificate before the head teacher the next day. And in this way, every connection which he had with that school was going to be over. That will be the end of it, he said. Mr. Koch willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. Albert wanted his mathematics teacher, Mr. Koch, to give him a recommendation letter. Albert did not find any objection shown by his maths teacher. He willingly gave him the recommendation letter which Albert needed to go somewhere else. If I say I can't teach you anymore and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be alright? He asked. His mathematics teacher asked him. If he said he could not teach him anymore, and probably means what? Almost certainly, and probably you will soon be able to teach me. He thought that probably Albert would soon be able to teach his own mathematics teachers. Will that be alright? He wanted to know if that would be alright. If his mathematics teacher said that he couldn't teach Albert anymore and probably Albert would soon be able to teach him. He wanted to know whether that would be alright. That is saying too much, sir, Albert answered that what his teacher was saying was nothing but exaggeration. He was saying something which was unnecessary, not necessary at all. It's that is saying too much, sir. So he said, sir, what you are saying is too much. It is only the truth, but all right, I will put it more seriously. His mathematics teacher was confident that what he was saying was truth, but he promised that in his recommendation letter he would put the matter more seriously. He would describe everything seriously. It was still a glowing reference. glowing. Glowing means what? Expressing great praise. Expressing great praise. The recommendation letter written by his mathematics teacher was a glowing reference, meant it expressed great praise for Albert and his qualities. And Mr. Coach made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. In his recommendation letter, his mathematics teacher, Mr. Coach, mentioned that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. Means he was intelligent to tackle higher mathematics anywhere. That is why he had written he was ready to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. See how a teacher sometimes helps his students. It is almost the I am sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class, he said. After giving him the recommendation letter, he said that he was sorry that Albert was leaving them. Although he felt, the mathematics teacher felt that Albert was wasting his time in his class. Albert did not like this. It is almost the only class where I am not wasting my time. He told him, sir, mathematics class was the only class where he was not wasting his time. But how did you know I am leaving, sir? But he wanted to know from his mathematics teacher how he came to know, how he had come to know that Albert was leaving. He asked this question respectfully to his mathematics teacher. But how did you know I am leaving, sir? How he had come to know that he was leaving? This question he asked. But how did you come? How did you know I am leaving, sir? He asked his mathematics teachers how he had come to know that he was leaving the school, leaving that school. He had asked this question with respect. You wouldn't have asked me for this reference otherwise. His teacher told him that Albert, had come him for that reference. That is why he knew that he was leaving that school. Otherwise, he wouldn't have asked his mathematics teacher to give him a recommendation letter. Thank you, children.